That's right, minions. These masters are ready. They're on their marks and seem quite steady. So now let's see who bends and breaks, or who's still standing with what it takes. Minion Fu skill number 1 takes finesse and speed to be well done. Hey, I'm a robot. It was meant.
People of Earth, I am Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobots. We have received word that Megatron seeks the Allstar, so he can gain control of your world. I am here to ask you all to stand with me today, so he shall fall tomorrow. Are you ready to step forward and pledge yourself to the Autobots? Outstanding. We may commence the recruitment process. Thank you for your bravery.
That's the equivalent to a large American alligator.